Hi, Form 4 Chemistry, chapter 5, video number 13. Okay, so for last two video, we finished a past year SPM, but for the last 10 video, we don't do any exercise, so we just can try the exercise all the past year after we finish the title. Sorry, very sorry. Okay, so after we finish the past year, so now what to do now? 我们要做什么呢? Okay, we continue to some trial. Okay, it's quite important before we go to the new SPMs and make ourselves become clever. We go trial first. Okay, 我们先看 trial. It will be more to essay. 这边是写 essay 用的。这个 notes 看看有没有这个东西。Start like element X react together with the Y to form a compound. X join together with the Y to form a compound. So diagram 7.1 show the electron arrangement of the compound. So what is the compound? 它的 compound 叫什么名字呢? Okay, X, Y, 2. One X join together with 2Y and become XY2. Okay, so now what they want, 它有什么东西? Write the electron arrangement for the atom of X. State the position of the element X in the periodic table of elements. Okay, so write the electron arrangement for the atom of element X. Okay, and state the position of the element X in the periodic table of element. Okay, so X ion, this is X ion. 它的离子来的。And what they want electron arrangement for the X atom, 它要的是原子的 electron arrangements. So where is the ion come from? So X donate one electron. X donate one electron to make itself become octet. So the original atom actually is 2.8.2 because the 0.2 loss, electron loss finally become 2.81. So the atom of element X actually is 2.8.2. 它的 atom 的 arrangements 2.8.2. Okay, so where is the positions? Because of 0.2, it will be group 2, and because of 3 layers of electron shell, occupied electron shell, it will be period number 3. So group 2, period number 3, you get your 3 mark, 拿到3分了。But if I try this in classrooms, a lot will get wrong. 这边它就错了，它写 2.8. Okay, and group 18 很好笑的。Okay, 7 mark. Write the chemical equation for the reaction between X and Y. 写出化学反应 and explain how the bond in the compound forms. So where is the chemical bond come from? How they forming the compound? 它将形成 compound 呢 Okay, so X actually is what? 2.8.2 magnesium. And Y will be 2.8.7 before gain the electrons. So this is chlorine. Magnesium and chlorine, how they form the compound. So write the chemical equations. Okay, X, this is magnesium atom, matter, 金属来的. So I write it as atom. React together with the chlorine gas. Chlorine at room temperature, it must be Y2. Okay, diatomic molecule, and finally become the compound called XY2, 就变成一个 compound XY2. Okay, so this is a reactant and product 啦。So how to balance it? 这样给它 balance. X 1X 1X 2Y 2Y. Okay, settle. Nothing to balance. So this is a chemical equation. 这就是你的化学反应。1 mark for reactant and product, another one mark for balance, but already balance you get free bonus 直接拿到 2 mark. Okay, so 2 mark in your pocket, 收在 pocket 里面了。And next 5 mark, another 5 mark. Explain how the bond in the compound form. 解释一下 how the bond in the compound form. This is the first time you write the essay. 你第一次写 chapter 5的 essay 对不对 Okay, look at my hand, I got you 啦。So atom of X having the electron arrangement 2.8.2. Okay, so how the chemical bond can be formed, ionic bond can be formed. So one atom of X donate 2 of each valence electrons and finally become the stable and octet electron arrangements X2 positive. 2分 Okay, so 2 atom of Y gain 1 electron each to become Y negative. Okay, 2 atoms of Y gain 1 electron each. And finally, achieve the stable octet electron arrangements, okay, and become the ion called Y negative, đúng không? Okay, 2 positive, X2 positive, and Y negative. Okay, they were attracted together with a strong electrostatic force, and finally become XY2 这边加多1分5分 So write your answer just below your paper or anywhere you like 啦，任何的地方都可以。Okay, so 1 atom of X donate 2 electrons to become X2 positive. 一粒的 X 丢掉2粒 electron and become the ion X2 positive. And after it becomes the ion X2 positive, X becomes stable. So achieve the octet and stable electron arrangement. 对吗？这样子2分。一粒的 X 丢掉2粒 electron 变成 X2 positive and becomes octet and stable. Okay? And 2 atoms of Y gain 1 electron each and become the Y negative ion. 2粒的 Y 每一粒拿到1粒的 electron from the X and become Y negative. And it achieve the octet and stable electron arrangement. 它自己也变成 octet stable. Okay? So X2 positive ion, Y negative ion, they will be attracted together with a strong electrostatic force. Okay, so X2 ion, Y negative ion attracted by the strong electrostatic force. Okay, and become ionic compound 变成离子的化合物 become ionic compound 离子的化合物 Okay, so how to get your 5 mark? Standard 啦，标准的5分 Okay, you talk about positive ion first, you talk about the negative ion, and finally positive negative join together, you get your full mark, 你就拿到你的满分。先讲加，后讲减，然后连在一起就满分。Okay, so this is your question. Next, 会难吗？pattern 啊，它的 format. If you go to exam and you have no experience and you start to thinking how to answer this question, you'll be not so good lah. Like next question. Diagram 7.2 show the setup of the apparatus to study the electrical conductivity of lead bromide and naphthalene. Okay, lead bromide ionic compound, naphthalene, this is covalent compound. Okay, so I want to compare the electric conductivity for both of the compound. Table 7 show the result 成绩出来了。Lead bromide in solid, the bulb does not glow, 没有光。Molten, the bulb glow brightly, 发光。Naphthalene in solid does not, molten does not. Okay, so 6 mark. Explain the observation in the table number 7. Explain the observations. 解释一下你的观察。Okay? And you get your 6 mark, 拿到你的6分。So how 怎样解释呢？ Okay? Now this is my observation. I have to explain. Okay, so solid naphthalenes, solid lead bromide, cause the light bulb does not glow. Why? 为什么呢？ Explain about observation. So in the solid stage, I start 我开始回答问题啦。In the solid stage, lead bromide does not conduct electric. So the bulb does not glow mean, okay, it does not conduct electric. 它不导电1分。Why? 解释一下。Because all the ions are not mobile, all the ions are tied together, they are not free to move. Or another meaning, no free moving ion, 没有自由活动的离子。I get 2 mark, 2分啊。Okay, second. Okay, the molten lead bromide can conduct electric. So when the lead bromide is in the molten form, the bulb glow brightly. 灯泡发光。Why? Okay, start. Molten lead bromide conduct electrics. Why? Because it contains free moving ion. 因为它有自由活动的离子。So I get 4 mark. 4分啊。再来。Naphthalene in solid and molten cause the light bulb does not glow. Okay, why? Simple. So naphthalene in solid and molten state does not conduct electric. So that's why the bulb does not glow. Or why? No free moving ion. Or you can talk like this. Okay, naphthalene actually is a neutral molecule. Or no free moving ion. 两句都可以。Okay, neutral molecule. No free moving ion. Okay, so now you're having 6 mark. 你已经拿到了6分。Okay, so copy your answer 啦。Okay, all this actually you already copy, 你已经抄了。This also same, 你已经抄了。Okay, so now we give the answer for this question. Lead bromide cannot conduct electricity in the solid stage. So that's why the light bulb does not light up. Why? No free moving ion. Ion do not move freely. 它的离子没有自由活动。Ion do not move freely. Okay, lead bromide can conduct electricity in the molten stage. Why? Because the ion move freely. And in solid and molten stage, naphthalene does not light up the light bulb. Why? So molten and solid stage of naphthalene, or naphthalene does not conduct electricity in any stage. 任何的形态它都不导电啊。Naphthalene cannot conduct electricity in solid and molten stage. Why? No free moving ion. Or naphthalene actually exists as a neutral molecule. 它是一个 neutral 的 molecule. No free moving ion. Okay, so this is what happened. 这就是发生的事情。Okay, 6 mark. Wow. Still another question. 还有另外的一题。But I bet using another video. Okay, bye bye.